Now, in our second wiring diagram of a radial circuit, let us say draw a wiring diagram of 4 sockets outlet wired in radio. Wiring diagram of 4 sockets outlet wired in radio. And in this case, let's say our first socket outlet is here. Our first socket outlet. Our second socket outlet is here. And our third one is here. And our fourth socket outlet is down here. Remember, the neutral is always on your left hand side and the live is always on your right hand side. So in this case, this is our earth. This one will be our neutral. The neutral is also on your left hand side, and this one will be our live, right hand side. So we have earth, neutral, live, earth, neutral, live, earth, neutral, live. All these are always indicated in our socket outlets. You will never find a socket outlet where there's no indication whether it is live or neutral. So by starting at the wiring of these, okay, so we'll come from our neutral here, consumer unit, the terminal marked neutral. Again, we'll have our live coming the terminal marked live, and we have our earth from here, see that, to the terminal marked earth. Now we can loop. So we are going to loop our neutral earth to earth as usual, earth to earth, and again we loop earth to earth down there. The neutral shall loop neutral from this neutral terminal of our first one to the neutral terminal of our second one, to the neutral terminal of our third one, and the neutral terminal of our fourth socket outlet. We're remaining with the phase now. We are looping our phase from here to this terminal of the phase. Again, we are looping from here, this terminal. And we are tapping from this terminal to this one. So in this case, these are socket outlet 1, 0, 1, socket outlet 2, 0, 2, socket outlet 3, 0, 3, and socket outlet 4. Remember, the wiring still, the size of the cable still remains 2.5 millimeter square. That's how we can wire a radial circuit of 4 socket outlets. Hope you understand that.